Wind's probably on the camera. Maybe I'll hold it closer to my face because the sound won't be so good. There is the North Village. There is the extension of the Impossible Garden, and I'm trying to turn to get out of the wind. There is the Impossible Garden, and that is the village center. This is the beginning of January 2019. It's the state of the school 2018. Way up there you might be able to see my white horse Sophie and the pallets and stuff laying in lines. What's changed since the last time? Well, there's more building has been going on. The fencing every year needs to be reset. The white building that looks somewhat new right there, I think in the center, that's the latest folk hut that I'm working on, and I'll probably have it done by the end of this month. So maybe I could say not that much has changed, but you can see I've been active. Sorry. There's the Fairfield. It's fenced around, sort of, with pallets. And I'm now going to head down there, right down there. You might be able to see. Other years that I've filmed this, the state of the school, I haven't paused at this spot. There's the goats and the horse. They're thinking about coming down to see if I've got some corn for them. And there's the one cat. Another one found me. He's right here by my feet. Tux is his name. Anyway, one of the reasons I stopped here was because you can see the water. Now, it has been for the last 2 years, it's been very wet. This year, extremely wet. And all of that water, really, that you see right there, all of that water, I can bring down a head race from below where that horse is out. I'll explain it better when I'm up there. But I can divert it down there to run 2 water wheels and one down here. That's 3. And I can divert it off past the old barn and run another one for I'm missing, trying to think where the other ones are. Oh, up there. Well, there's 7 water wheels that I have that I could run all at the same time, but you know, they would have to share that water. But there's a supply of water that I've got. This is January, and it's been year-round. It hasn't been that strong, but it's been year-round this year and last. Here's another look at that water supply. It really doesn't run this strong year-round, but the point is that this year it has actually run year-round.